want 250 for the gun. 250. I know it's a 22, but it's basically an MP5. I mean, it is ATI, and it don't come with a mag. But if it came with a mag, I would have definitely got it. But if it's not gone by the day y'all shut down, bro, I'm coming to get this. I'll find me a mag for it, bro. 22, it's just a little range gun. And then like, bro, the sights, bro. The sights is like, oh man, it just, you move this around and stuff. Then you have the fluorescent type thing. Hey man, this thing nice, bro. I don't care what y'all talking about, bro. I'm gonna come back and get this. I'm gonna find me a mag for it, and I'm gonna come back and get this. Get a little video there, man. You know what I'm saying? I just, YouTube. Should I get the gun or not, man? Should I get the gun or not?